wake up alone on the floor. 'Cause I feel haunted in my bedroom. The floorboards in the next room will keep me warm. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me nervous. I feel right at home. 'Cause you ought to know nothing about you makes me anxious. I never feel alone.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am using my friend's car because I gotta go to Target and get a couple things. But I'm back. I am feeling so much better. I quit my job and I'm starting a new one in 3 weeks, so I have a bit of time off. Anyway, I need a few things at Target. I am going for a rain run this morning. I have not run for months, I think. I think it's literally been months. So here we go.
You tossed and turned as thoughts began to play. How can this be life? Every day I would just waste away, saving up the time to spend it on mindless entertainment, as if we'd find some sort of reason behind this need to survive. We could be right, or we could be wrong together. When daffodil skies, they bloom in the darkest weather. Make up a lie, tell yourself you're fine, like your mother and father did before.
Hello, I am in Hawaii. I just quit my job and I am starting to feel like a normal human being again. If you watched my last video, I've been going through a tough, honestly, few months. It has not been very fun these past few months, but I'm starting to feel way better. I have 3 weeks off before I start a new job. So this morning I got up, I journaled, and I have written down a to-do list, and every week I write down a quote. Today's quote is, "Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out." Today's to-do list, I have a bunch to do. I have been kind of just like pushing off doing a bunch of things. On another note, guess who got a shortboard? If you follow my Instagram, you already know this, but this is my new baby. It's 5'10". People are asking on Instagram how tall I am. I'm 5'6". My last board was 9'6", so this is gonna be kind of a bit of an investment.
It makes me anxious. I never feel alone. I never feel alone. I think I overstayed my welcome, but I think you want me to stick around, to bring you coffee or a cigarette. I don't think we're done yet, not for now.
I just took a shower and got ready, which actually I'm gonna put a necklace on. Got a nice little necklace. I felt like getting dressed up today because since it's so hot here, I don't feel like getting all cute all the time just because I feel like I'm gonna sweat through it. Oh, I need earrings too. Sorry. So basically, I quit my job last week. I was so unhappy at it, which is why I've been feeling kind of off. I mean, there's been some other things that have happened too, but it was just not a good environment for me. There were some changes that had been made and I was not thriving. I was so unhappy, mentally drained, and I got another job lined up for myself, so I just decided to quit. I was gonna put in my 2-week notice, but honestly that week just alone was so awful, just so mentally draining. I was like, I can't do this for another 2 weeks, so I just quit. Anyway, now I have 3 weeks off, which feels great. I can focus on my YouTube, I can edit, I have some time to explore the new area I'm in. I get to surf, I go to shortboard, I already told you guys that. But all around, I haven't felt like I've been able to just like breathe recently, and now I feel like I can. So I'm still working out some like housing stuff here, but I actually might be moving to the other side of the island for summer just because some housing was not worked out here. Housing is tough. I never realized it. So working on that, but that I think will figure itself out. I feel good that I got ready today. I'm gonna bake a cake today. Love baking. I find it very therapeutic. I did it growing up. I baked cookies all the time with my mom and my friends, and I don't know, it kind of just brings me back to my childhood. And I find it very therapeutic. So I'm gonna bake a lemon cake today, and maybe I'll have a piece of lemon cake and coffee in the afternoon. I bought flights back to Berkeley to California in June, so I'll be going back for my sister and my friend's graduation and a wedding. Then I'll be coming back here. Anyway, I am just gonna take it easy today. It's kind of, the weather has been so weird. It's been raining and then like it was pouring this morning, and now it's so nice right now. Here, I'll show you. It's blue skies. I have this apartment to myself for most of the day because he's always at school. He's in grad school, so he has like hella work to do all the time, and he'll just like be on campus. So that's really nice, and I'll be getting my car on Monday. And yeah, things are starting to look up. I swear I just went through this, like, stuff happened with my friend at the beginning of the year. I'm not really friends with her anymore. That was really hard because I've been friends with her since I was very young, but some things happened, and I'm learning how to tell people no and not be so much of a people pleaser, because I have grown up saying yes to everyone and pleasing everyone I'm around to make them happy, but in this case, I needed to do what was right in my eyes and not her eyes, so it was really hard. But I don't know. This year has just felt so long, and having the thing happen with my friend, job stuff that just happened, just feeling kind of taken advantage in the workplace, just some stuff happened there, which I had to quit. I don't know, just like shit has been happening. And yeah, I don't know. But something I have always done is, I don't know if people believe in God on this channel or not, but I don't know, whenever I go through hard times, I guess I cling to him, and I just pray so much more and know that it will work out in the end. So definitely part of my life, and yeah, it's nice kind of having someone in your corner all the time. So anyway, I'm gonna have a chill morning. I'm gonna bake a cake, do some things on my computer, maybe start editing my next vlog, and then maybe go outside. I don't know. It's too big to go surfing for me today, so I don't think I'm gonna surf. But yeah, thanks for being here. The cake, it looks a little overdone, but I'm gonna try some. It's really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna go jump in the water because it's so hot.
This life is brief and no one truly knows the pain you keep, but still beneath the bittersweet, I need it endlessly. Nights when the stars are falling, I'm not your knight in shining, but I still care for you the same. Days when the last train's calling, I'm not your silver lining. Baby, some things will never change.
I look phenomenal. Let's redo this hair. I am going to the beach. It's Friday and I'm just gonna chill. I was gonna surf, but it's too big. Ooh, someone just drove by me and that was really embarrassing. Okay, going to the beach just to hang out. Look how freaking pretty it is.
Oh, oh, oh. Didn't you guarantee that you would only need me? The feelings, they can linger. Now I'm just a ringer.
Okay, I promise I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna go to the thrift store and see if they have any dresses or snorkel gear because I've been wanting to get my own snorkel set because there's good snorkeling here. So let's go look. I'm excited. I'm going to a different thrift store that I've never been to. It's a little smaller, so I don't really have any expectations. I went to the thrift shop right there. It was so small, there was like nothing there. So I got a boba instead. I haven't had boba in so long, so actually I'm gonna put you over here. Let's see how it is. We got mango tea with mango sweetener. No, gonna be honest, the tea is really good, but the boba tastes like it's like day old.